the Lookout Mountain Incline Railway, and we have to go all the way up there. It's super steep, so I'm going to show you some of it going up.
So you can get a picture of the switch better? Where do you want to stay, Angie?
I don't care.
This is good. I think this would be a good place. Isn't this weird? We got pictures of Greta crawling up the aisle. So I'll keep your tickets for you. You guys gotta let me We can want to take your jacket off, Andy. I'll let you take it off.
Welcome on the Incline. Please.
They used to have a guy that recorded message. This used to be part of the transit system. So if you had to work at the top of the mountain or if you worked down here, this would be part of the bus ride. Can you see? Oh, there's the switching point.
Steep.
Oh, it gets even more handy. This is just the beginning of
This
it.
is just the beginning of being told, which is making me feel better about this.
I know it does. We'll have to ask him how many degrees it is. It's pretty steep. Well, I bet he knows. Oh, I sent your mom a message. She knows what this is. She's been on here many times. That's why Grandpa said he was okay not to ride it. Here we go. Here comes the other guy. Can you see him, Andy? Here he comes. And he'll come alongside of us. Oh, he's going to be on that side. They said when General Grant came here, I think it took him 4 hours to get up the mountain. I'll go over a little crack. Incline is at the top.
Yes, it is 72.6
Do you get that? It's just shy of 90 degrees up. Oh my gosh.
I want you to ask me that after.
Oh! Yo, look at, oh my gosh. This is where the store was, I think, that we went to. See, now Grandpa's got a week. This is how much skyler that was. I bet the people thought they were all going to die. Can you see the cable going through the hole? See it? And there's a shop up there. Do you remember seeing the wheels that turned? Do you remember that? It's been a long time. Okay, here we go. Now it's going to get really. Oh man! Now look at this thing is starting to flatten out now, even out. Are your ears popping?
Yeah.
Mine are popping. I know, your legs are starting to
It's
swing
over
out.
again. We have the high.
Down again. See? Yeah, can you feel like you're sliding? Oh man. Oh, these are great videos you got, Andy. Put them down a little bit so you can see all that. Oh,
This is okay. Don't look down.
oh man.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, look at, you're looking at the ceiling. You're looking I'm sorry, but you're seeing straight ahead. Isn't that weird? I know. Isn't this awesome? Oh my gosh. Can you see everyone getting into the station?
Watch your step, please.
Now, if you guys want me to carry your things, I'll put it in your. Can you feel how you're going? Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Can you feel how you have to hold on to get out of there?
My legs are like this.
I know.
Felt like I was standing.
Well, yeah, look at now it's completely tipped down. Wow. What's the angle on
Observation deck. Okay, I'm looking straight. Steep heights. There's a car.
Let's see, I think.
Oh,
I don't know if you can see the Chattanooga choo-choo here or not. Yeah, see it?
get ready to see the baseball. This video's that.
Let's see if I got a clue. Wow. Now, wait a minute.
Honey. There it goes.
Can you see the other one down at the bottom coming up? Can you see the other one down, way down there coming up the track?
All right, this is the mechanism for the incline. I had to make a recording because you could barely hear me. It was actually really loud in here, this part, and it's actually kind of intimidating with the super fast fly wheels. But these wheels would spin, make the reds spin, which would make those other wheels spin with the reds, which would make the reds pull up and push down the incline cart. So yeah, it was pretty intimidating. It was loud. Alright, this is a picture of the incline. It's really steep part. So thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. It means so much to me. Thanks for watching.